Welcome to Ooty. Hi everybody. Well, new vlog, new place, and this time I am in Ooty, and I am with the ones who actually instilled the travel bug in me, and they are my parents. So yes, I'm gonna be here for 2 days, and I'm here with my parents. Let's see what we can do in these 2 days. This is a very impromptu plan. The only thing that's decided for today is to get into that toy train, which is very famous over here. It goes from Ooty to Kunur. So yes, I had already pre-booked its ticket like 3-4 days ago, and luckily it got confirmed just like an hour ago. So I'm very glad about it. So yeah, let's go. So before going to the railway station, we had some buffer time. So we came to this boat house, this famous Ooty boat house. There are 3 types of boats available here. One is pedal boat, another one is row boat, and the third one is the motor boat. Maybe in the evening, if we have time, we'll come over here. We'll go for the paddle boat. But as of now, we are just here to soak in some vibes. Hello. Hi. So finally reached Kunur, and yep, it was a very nice experience. It's a narrow gauge toy train, so of course it takes a lot of time. But yeah, it was very fun. We saw so many valley viewpoints, and along with that, few tunnels as well. So yeah, you can definitely give it a look. Okay, book the cab from here. We have opted for this one. Oh wow, this looks very beautiful. And somewhere over there is Mettupalayam railway station. And yep, even there also पूरा टी estate है. बहुत प्यारा location है.
टोकरी तो बहुत भारी है आपकी।
तो काली टोकरी मरम इसमें से 50 किलो तोड़ दिया ना हम लोग।
अच्छा,
कितना लगता है?
समंदर का पानी बुलु बुलु, मम्मी के गाल गुलु गुलु. We just had a photo shoot of my mama, and एक फोटो चूज की है डेवलप कराने के लिए. So yep, it was fun actually. अच्छा लगा, and इन लोगों को भी मस्ती ऐसे मारते हुए देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So yep, off to next location now. Guys, मज़ा आ रहा है?
स्मेल देखो।
नीलगिरी का पेड़, एक ही पेड़ में से 3 पर्पस का तेल बना सकते।
So our driver uncle brought us here. Here we got to know how eucalyptus oil is processed, and then we get 3 types of different oils and for different uses. Baby leaves, bada leaves, and your roots.
Roots.
Nice. पक्का यही फ्लेवर आएगा.
पक्का यही फ्लेवर आएगा ना, मसाला चाहिए।
So yeah, that was all about it. And from here we got some green teas and some masala chai, some other oils as well, and few spices also. एक्चुअली आई गेस ये ऊपर एरियल व्यू से डॉल्फिन की शेप का दिखता है, तो इसको ब्रिटिशर्स के टाइम पे से ही डॉल्फिन नोज पॉइंट बोला जा रहा है। एंड यहाँ से एक वाटरफॉल दिख रहा है, दैट इज़ नोन एज कैथरीन वाटरफॉल्स। I guess this was the last spot that he was supposed to show to us. So now it's all done from Kunur side. We just have ordered some Maggie, so we're gonna have that. फिर जल्दी से निकलेंगे हम बस स्टैंड के लिए। So back to the hotel from Kunur. My parents are having some rest, so I thought why not थोड़ा सा sunset देखा जाए, and here it is. And like I also have a drone. I was thinking why not to fly it. So yeah, it was fun. Actually, ambient light का कम है का क्वेश्चन आ रहा था, but still something कुछ तो हुआ है. So yep. And यहाँ पे इतने सारे pigeons हैं. Every pigeon got very intrigued and वो उसके आसपास fly करने लगे थे. And I was like, भाई कुछ कर मत देना. But luckily nothing happened. So actually अभी just 2 months हुए हैं drone को लिए हुए. So I'm not that well equipped with what all I can do with this drone. But yep. Maybe next coming vlogs may you will find even more better videos.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed, you know.
So I have been to this place earlier as well, और उस टाइम पे भी इतना वॉकिंग होता था, but now बैटरी ऑपरेटेड कार स्टार्ट हो गई हैं. I asked my parents, but they insisted on walking. So here we are, walking.
And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
So currently, as these are summer times, the water has drastically reduced, because the last time when I was here it looked something very different, but still nature is nature and we always love being in nature. So yeah, seeing these monkeys मुझे अपने siblings की याद आ रही है.
I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve.
So the 8-seater charges some 1150 rupees and we were just 3. So we waited and found another 5 people and now we are going. तो मम्मी को एक्चुअल में शेड वाली बोट चाहिए थी और कोइंसिडेंटली वही मिली है.
I know you haven't noticed, you know, that I won't let
आ गए वापस. है ना, कितना बढ़िया था ना. पेरेंट्स के साथ भी it's too much fun and I'm glad that they are also enjoying a lot. And now off to next location. भाग के आओ, रेस लगाते हैं, रेस.
and I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the
this is Doddabetta Peak, and this is the highest peak of Nilgiri Hills. So yep, that's why it's special. And from here we can see a series of other hills, and सब छोटे-छोटे लग रहे हैं. I mean we are at the top, so of course सब छोटे-छोटे hills लग रही हैं. And yep, यहाँ पे एक observatory भी है जहाँ पे I guess telescope है, so you can watch other peaks and all from there. This is how it actually looks, the Paikara Falls. So this is Botanical Garden, and like all other botanical gardens that we see in Kodaikanal and other places, this is also very nicely maintained. This tree is so tall. The setup of this botanical garden started in 1848, just imagine. And I saw so many different trees. We even saw one fossil tree, जो almost 20 million years ago का था. So even that was a very surprising thing for us. The gardens have been maintained very nicely. Kudos to the people who are working here, and the driver told us that most of the staff who works there are tribal people, which is also a very nice initiative by the government. And with this comes the conclusion of our Ooty Kunnur trip. Well, my parents enjoyed a lot, and hope you also like this video. And if you did, please consider subscribing to this channel, and also like, share and comment.
मेरी सौ बीमारियों का तू इलाज है, तू ही मेरा बीता वक्त, तू ही आज है. दिन महीने साल कम पड़ेंगे संग तेरे, जिंदगी जो मांगो पूरी क्या ख्याल है.